Hello and welcome to another episode of The Eccentric, and today we're going to talk about Al-Bayt Al-Dimashqi's X for Men, जो यहाँ लिखा हुआ होता है, but I have the tendency to peel off the stickers, so you'll have to trust me. मेरी आँखों में सच्चाई देखो. This is Al-Bayt Al-Dimashqi's clone of Clive Christian X for Men. I have not tried the original, so I cannot tell you how close this is, but I love this smell. This is called X for Men, but this is the signature scent of my partner, the woman I love. She uses this perfume, and this is their a little what do I call it? A little pricey range or line of perfumes. They have three lines. This is in the middle. This is in the bottom. Not the bottom. The quality is very good. This is the Silver Mountain Water clone I talked about in the last video. And they don't put very much effort into the packaging, though this comes in a bigger box, but the bottles are mostly of the same design. If you're going to buy anything in this range, every bottle, every perfume is going to look the same. And this is nicer. I don't like this bottle at all. This looks very bad, but this looks nice. This is थोड़े से curves हैं और हमें तो curves बहुत पसंद है. Okay, sorry. Forget it. So, bad jokes aside, this is a very good perfume. I don't know how close this is, as I told you, and it's a snug fit. The other one is not. I got this from Fragaholic, from Ashish Bhai, and I think I got it for around 2300 to 2200. I don't remember correctly. I think 2200. And every Al-Bayt perfume, I must say, they last a very long while. And although this is a perfume, I think to my nose suited better for the colder weather, which comes very for I think 1 month in India. But you can use this all around the year and smell good, but people are not going to like it in the summers. Although my partner loves it. So this is the sprayer, and I am not going to waste more perfume. I really like it. This smells like a sweet tea with very much cardamom, and the dry down is basically of high quality tea. There is no musk, which I am very happy about because I don't like musky dry downs. And this is going to make you smell like a very rich person, not man, person. Intensity देख रहे हो आप? मैं पास आ रहा हूँ आपके. Okay, मैं पास आ रहा हूँ. This is very rich. So she has been using this in her workplace, and she gets compliments left, right and center. लड़कियों को compliment देते हो आप लोग, मुझे नहीं देते. Okay, लड़कियों को compliment मिलता है. तो अगर आप एक लड़की हो और या फिर आपको किसी को गिफ्ट करना है, तो you may try this. This is going to give you compliment. This is a very pleasant scent, but I recommend it in at least air-conditioned rooms or in the winters. But she uses it all year around, and इतना सारा ख़त्म कर दिया है और फिर से मेरे को एक बॉटल नया लाने को बोला है. तो आई एम होपिंग के और कुछ महीने तो ये रहे, बिकॉज इट ओनली टेक्स आई थिंक 3 half sprays for this to last 6 hours, 7 hours. And if you want it to smell all day in your clothes, and you have to go in maybe some heated place तो कोई होता नहीं है, बट बाहर जा रहे हो आप, काम पे जा रहे हो और वहाँ एसी नहीं है, तो if you want to spray, if you would spray I think 6 sprays, full sprays, this is going to last you all day, and you're going to smell like very sweet, pleasant tea, and not milk tea, but चाय पत्ती के जैसे स्मेल है यार. ये बहुत ही प्राइसी, बहुत ही एक्सपेंसिव स्मेल करता है, and I really like this one. This deserves the hype that it gets, and I am going to try some more Al-Bayt perfumes very soon. I hope I use this one and the Terreman as my signature. This is going to be my winter time signature layered with Terreman. Terreman is basically the Terre d'Hermes clone of Albert, which also is very long lasting and very high quality. So I don't know how they're making these for such a little fraction of the price of the original, because Clive Christian का जो X आता है, that costs around 30 to 35,000 and sometimes goes up to 40,000, and you're getting this at max to 2300 2400, and this is 75 ml. मैं लास्ट वीडियो में भी बोलना भूल गया था, this is not 100 ml, this is 75 ml. I would like them to make this even bigger. If अगर वो 200 ml के भी बनाते हैं तो I will be buying this. This is as good. And the color of the juice is white basically, but it does not matter. The smell is amazing. Yeah, this is really good. समर में क्या होता है, समर में अगर आप सिट्रसी या फिर फ्रेश कोई भी अगर सॉल्टी एक्वाटिक सेंट्स लगाओगे तो यू आर गोइंग टू स्मेल मोर प्लेजेंट. बट इसमें एक वार्मथ है जो कार्डमम से आता है, जो टी से आता है, बट जो बहुत सारे लोगों को शायद उतना अच्छा ना लगे, बट यू आर गोइंग टू स्मेल गुड, ग्रेट. मैं तो कभी कभी परफ्यूम्स को घर में भी छिड़क देता हूँ पर्दों पे या फिर कहीं, तो the room, the whole house sometimes smells great. And this is way better in quality than many designer fragrances that I have tried the samples of. I don't have designer fragrances. एक बार मैंने Guerlain खरीदा था, Guerlain Extreme, Ala Extreme, and I had to sell it for a cheaper price because I did not get used to it. I did not like it. Everybody was in love with that perfume, but I did not like it. I thought it smelled like Coca-Cola. So I'm saying that again and again. मैंने last video में भी बोला था ये, because I don't want you to blind buy perfumes. ये उतना ज़्यादा प्राइस नहीं है इसका, so you can do that, but it's not like every perfume that expensive is great or is going to smell great to your nose. Okay, so trust your nose. Try perfumes if you can. If you can acquire samples of Albert, I think आप सारे ही खरीद लो 2 ml या फिर 1 ml जो भी मिल रहा है आपको, and try it. और अगर आपने खरीद लिया है and you're not liking it, you can sell them on Facebook. There are many fragrance groups, and this perfume is not going to disappoint you. Not going to disappoint you at all. This is very unique. You're not going to smell like anyone else, and yeah, I think that's what we should try. सभी अगर अवेंटस के क्लोन्स लगाएंगे तो कैसे चलेगा भैया, है ना? तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही. आई थिंक और कुछ बताना है नहीं मुझे. कितना लास्ट करता है मैंने बोला ही होगा शायद. It's going to last you very long in the winters. It's going to last whole day, and the dry down is amazing. Sweet tea leaves, मतलब चाय की पत्ती अगर सबसे हाईएस्ट ग्रेड की हो तो वैसे स्मेल करोगे आप, और उसमें अगर कोई थोड़ा सा इलायची और कुछ थोड़ा सा एम्ब्रोक्सिन डाल दे तो जो प्रोजेक्शन मिलेगा उसको और जो स्मेल उसकी आएगी मीठी सी, तो दैट्स व्हाट यू आर गोइंग टू स्मेल लाइक. एंड रुबाब का स्मेल भी बहुत लोग बोलते हैं कि इसमें से आता है, बट आई हैव नॉट स्मेल्ड रुबाब, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू दैट्स व्हाट इट स्मेल्स लाइक, बट yeah, it smells great and I really like it. So I recommend this. I recommend you try it first if you can, and if you can't, just go for it.